for today's video, I have a tutorial on how to immediately use the flashlight in your cell phone when the home screen is off. So first, go to Settings, scroll down and look for the shortcut and Accessibility. Then tap it. Then for now, you're gonna look for the quick action. Then to activate it, just slide. And you must choose on what you want to activate, for the flashlight, for the record audio, for the open camera, open Facebook, and open apps. Well, you can choose whatever you want, but I choose the turn on or off the flashlight. You can use this feature when your home screen is off. Then, you must press the lower the volume button so that it will be activated.